Earn money, designing logos and graphics. Do you have a passion for design and want to turn it into a profitable business? In today's video, I'll show you how to make money by designing logos and graphics, even if you're just getting started. Step 1. Build your portfolio. Before you can start earning money, you need a portfolio that showcases your work. Start by creating a few sample logos or graphic designs that represent your style. You can also offer to design for friends, local businesses, or nonprofits to build up your portfolio. Step 2. Choose the right platforms. To sell your logo and graphic design services, you'll want to list your work on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs. These platforms connect you with clients who are looking for designers. Each platform has its own unique audience, so explore which one works best for your style and services. Step 3. Set your prices. When starting out, set competitive prices to attract clients and build reviews. Many platforms allow you to offer tiered pricing, basic, standard, and premium, so you can cater to different client needs. As you gain experience and positive reviews, gradually increase your rates. Step 4. Optimize your gig listings. If you're using platforms like Fiverr, make sure your gig listings are optimized with relevant keywords like custom logo design or professional graphic design. Include high-quality images of your work and, if possible, create a video explaining your design process. The better your gig looks, the more clients you'll attract. Step 5. Promote your services. To get more clients, don't just rely on freelance platforms. Promote your services on social media, within design communities, and through your own website. Platforms like Instagram and Behance are great for showcasing your designs and attracting potential customers. Step 6. Offer great customer service. Providing excellent customer service is key to earning repeat clients and getting great reviews. Be responsive, deliver your work on time, and make sure to communicate clearly with your clients about their needs and expectations. Happy clients will be more likely to recommend you and give you positive feedback. Step 7. Expand your services. Once you start getting clients, consider offering additional design services to increase your income. Beyond logos, you could design business cards, social media graphics, or website elements. Offering a broader range of services will make you more appealing to clients looking for a one-stop design solution. Step 8. Stay current with design trends. Design is an ever-evolving industry, so staying up to date with the latest design trends and tools is crucial. Invest time in improving your skills through online courses or tutorials to keep your designs fresh and modern, which will help you stand out in the competitive design market. By following these steps, you can turn your design skills into a thriving business, whether it's a side hustle or a full-time career. Start by building a strong portfolio, promoting your work, and continuously improving your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online and building a successful design business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.